Hey everyone, today we're launching a custom collection of gingham and check Khadi cotton, a project we're really excited about. This custom palette has been an absolute joy to develop with some playful experimentation in colorways and contrasting combos, resulting in these cheerful textiles perfect for your spring and summer wardrobe. We worked with an artisan co-op composed of over 300 talented artisans working from their home workshops. These co-ops provide artisans with the opportunity to work from their community, avoiding the need to relocate to larger cities for work. And we have a blog post that goes into how this particular co-op works that you can check out. We have put the link to it in our description. In terms of sustainability, this handwoven collection has a minimal impact on the environment. The cotton fiber comes from southern India, and the artisans use azo-free dyes to reduce pollution in wastewater. And by using hand looms and working primarily during daylight hours, the artisans minimize electricity consumption. So let's have a closer look at these textiles. We've created 5 gorgeous ginghams, each featuring what we think is the ideal medium check scale. We're really excited about each of them. Check out this vibrant red and soft pink combo, or this classic black and white, this chic neutral gray and cream, and my personal favorite, a striking Kelly green and blue combo. You might remember this contrast purple and ochre check from last year's collection. We realized that you liked that one as much as we did, so it's back. Alongside, we're introducing a dynamic blue and orange check that's really gorgeous. And we're also bringing back the small check from last year, along with a blue and cream variation. Finally, we've added 2 checks mixed with subtle white yarns, a cool teal and blue mix, and an unexpected chartreuse and mauve blend that feels really fresh and interesting. These checks boast a lightweight yet substantial feel, perfect for crafting shirts with a crisp drape. Made of 100% cotton, they have a slightly rustic texture but still feel soft to the touch, and they have a beautiful airy weave. As I mentioned before, they are hand-spun and hand-woven on traditional looms by skilled artisans, so they have slight irregularities to them, making them truly unique and special. Now onto sewing. These lightweight cottons are perfect for beginners. They're stable, easy to cut, sew, and press. Just remember to pre-wash and dry them to avoid any potential shrinkage. And if you're wondering what to make with these hand-woven cottons, think breezy dresses like this bubble frock that I'm wearing, casual tops, and relaxed trousers. Experiment with a classic oversized button-down like the classic Jenna, or try out a cute ruffle brunch set by Matchy Matchy. And if you end up making something with these checks, please tag us on Instagram at Core Fabrics. We would love to see your makes. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Hope you have a great week and have some time to sew.